Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds, where we're here to help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Whitney.
So I have the Velocity Charging Tech Kit here. It's this nice little pouch, comes in a bunch of different colors. The colors showcased here. You unzip it here, and we have a bunch of little charging peripherals on the inside here. So first off, we have a 3-in-1 cable. Plugs in regular USB-A on one side, and then on the other side here, there's 3 different cables. We have a USB-C, we have a micro USB, and then we also have a cable that's compatible with iPhones. So you can charge pretty much wherever you go. You never have to worry about having all these separate different cables. It's just a one and you're good to go. And the beauty here is you have your typical charging brick here that you get with a lot of your phones. But the reason it's called like a travel kit is that you have a cigarette lighter plug in here that you can plug into your car, and then it's got a little USB there. Yes, exactly. It's something that you can just take with you on the go.
Especially when you're with a group of people and somebody forgets their charger, it's nice to have because it has all those different components on it. I do believe that they're even compatible with working with a power bank too, so you can still plug it into a power bank and still have those components. So they're very nice.
And it's not big at all. It's like it's a little smaller than my fist here, so it's nice and compact. And another thing too, your logo shows up as a one color imprint right here on the front, on the colored side here. So, what do you got over there, Whitney?
Well, today I have the Refresh Vacuum Wine Tumbler, and obviously it keeps cold liquids, hot liquids. It retains the temperature of the liquids. I actually use something similar at my desk every day for my coffee. So
there you go.
It's nice just to have to keep your liquids hot and cold, but the one thing I love about this, and I need to show you this, is this is a slide mechanism for the top.
Oh yeah, yep.
But it comes out by holding these 2 buttons, and you can take it out so you can clean underneath here. Any gunk or coffee gets underneath there and you can clean, and then you just pop it right back in.
Yeah, I really like how they look. It really does kind of have that goblet style wine thing that you get maybe at like a taste testing or as your main, drinking glass. So that's kind of cool, and all the different colors too. Yep,
it comes in a lot of nice, more modern, newer colors, the really bright colors. And also you can get a 1-color screen imprint on the front, or you can upgrade and get a laser engraved where it's actually etched into the metal. Yeah, so I like the laser engraves.
Yes, there's something cool about just rubbing your finger over laser engraving. It's like, yes, I mean business here.
Yeah, definitely. And these are hand wash only. So with laser engrave, you don't have to worry about, anything scratching off. And it's just, the laser engrave really makes it pop on there.
Yeah, and that's a Refresh brand as well, which is nice. I know in the past we've talked about Crossland on the videos here, but Refresh is also one of our in-house brands for drinkware.
Yep, a lot of people do like the brand just because it's really good quality. It holds up. You don't really see anything breaking. It doesn't, over time lose its quality. But the biggest thing with the Refresh and the vacuum seal is it really does keep your stuff hot and cold. So that's the biggest thing. When they say it's gonna keep it hot and cold, it really does. Well, that's all we have for today. Being in the customer service department, if you have any questions, definitely feel free to give us a call. Any of our customer service representatives would be happy to assist you with any of your questions.
Awesome, and don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.